guys, welcome back to my channel. Back at it again with another video, and today I am having a mental breakdown. Let's just take a moment to look at my hair. Yeah, Chloe King, shout out to you, she triggered me. Sending me pictures of people with red hair, and mine is not cutting it. Look at these roots. Look. It's not cute. Okay, it's not cute. So I went and bought some dye, and we're going to give it a go. I've never dyed my own hair. Usually my mum does it for me and does it properly, but we're here with some box dye. I'm going to hope for the best, yeah? So first things first, it says to section my hair into 4 partings. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so once you've got this cute ass hairstyle, yeah, you begin. So, snipping the top is snipped. Right, I'm gonna guess that's mixed. Okay, now it says, so I've got my hair in 4 partings, unclipped one section of hair. It's not clipped, but you know, doing the job. And it says within the 4 partings you need to make 4 more partings. So that's fine. It probably would have been helpful if I got a clip, because it would have been quicker. But you know, we do what we got to do. I'm going to make a hot mess in this bathroom. I can already feel it myself. Why are they not coming out? What does it say? Nothing. Just put it in your hair. That's helpful. No, is anything even coming out? I'm just going to do it like this in my hand. Ugh, this stinks! That's great, I've just got it all over my neck. It definitely did say put Vaseline around your forehead and your neck area, but I forgot. So that is fine. Be a clown for the week. No problem. Okay, 2 sections done. 2 to go. This just needs to move. Thank you. Oh my god, it's everywhere. Just caught a glimpse at the back of my neck. Everywhere. And I've got it on my face, no problem. also says don't massage into your scalp, but I want red roots. So I say that, yeah, and watch my head burn once it's finished developing, but that's okay. Beauty hurts. Okay, I'm back. It's been half an hour. It's looking very red, I'm not gonna lie. Which is good. We're not ginger. Well, we don't know if I'm ginger until I wash it out, but by the looks of it, we're not ginger. It's very bright though. But that's okay. So I'm going to wash it out with shampoo and conditioner, and it gave me like a deep conditioner, but I also have a hair mask. So it's gonna be a lot. So I'm gonna go and wash it out, and then I'll come back to you, put my products in, and we hope for the best. Okay? See you on the flip side. Okay guys, moment of truth. Am I ginger? Let's see. It's very bright. I'm not gonna lie. But I like it, that's what we came to see. My roots are still quite dark, but you can see a red tint. I hope. Well, let me just move to the natural light and see. Okay, wait there. Yeah, so my roots are still quite dark, but they're red. And that's what I wanted. So that's fine. So I'm just gonna put some product in it. Do you know what? The condition doesn't feel bad. When I was washing the dye out, it was so dry. I thought my hair was gonna break off, and I was very, very scared. So, my hair is dry. I've got a bit of patchiness going on. I might have to re-dye this like mid-length area, but generally, I like the colour. My hair is not damaged like I thought it was gonna be. When I washed it out without shampoo or anything, my hair felt like straw, brick. Like if I touched it, it was gonna snap off. I was very scared, but once I deep conditioned it, it was okay. So I'm hoping I can fix the patchiness, but I'm gonna give it a week or something just for my hair to just chill out. But yeah. So it has been about a week since I dyed it for the second time, and as you can see, it's a lot more even. We're not patchy. It's great. The red generally just looks a lot better. So yeah, I'm very happy with it. It was nice and easy. It was cheap. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like this video. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, bye guys.